Welcome to Rainy London, and you're watching the Fantastic Four.
Hey guys, welcome to our flat in London. This has been a great place, mostly because of its close proximity to the King's Cross station, which is sort of a major transportation hub here in London. So we've been able to go a lot of places just by taking the 5-minute walk down to King's Cross and then, taking different trains out from there. So yeah, let's get started. I will first take you into our first bedroom, which is pretty small, standard bedroom. There's not a whole lot to see. There is a basic closet with just a couple hangers and some drawers underneath that. I think there's a shelf in there. And then we have chest of drawers, places to charge our devices while we sleep, which has been nice. And then the bed, which is just a bed. It was a little hard to sleep on, but not that big of a deal. And yeah, it's been a little difficult to get around in this room because you kind of have to crawl onto bed and then crawl off, and then they do leave you some room to change. So again, not that big of a deal, just a minor complaint. And yeah, I will take you into the second bedroom. This one is way bigger. There's more room to walk around, and yeah, bigger bed, and we have drawers on each side and places to charge things behind the drawers. And then we have a closet over here. And the closet is nice because it has these basket drawers, which are kind of fun. And then there is hanger space on top of that and a shelf. So it's been a good place to store our things. And there's a desk over here, which has been nice. I sat here and wrote a couple of times, and I've been storing all my school books in here, so desk is always nice in Airbnb. And chargers to charge computer while I work. And then there's the bathroom, which is basic bathroom. We have shower and toilet and a sink. So in some of our other houses in Europe, our flats in Europe, we have seen bathrooms that have the shower and toilet in separate rooms, which has been a little bit nicer because one person can take a shower and then the other person doesn't have to wait to the bathroom or to brush their teeth or something in the evenings. So we kind of like that setup a little bit better, but this works too. Yeah, now I will take you into the living room space, where we have spent most of our time here. There is a table which we have eaten on, and I did a lot of my schoolwork here too. And then the couch over here, sort of an L-shaped couch. It's been nice to be in an English-speaking country again because we've gathered around and watched TV in the evenings while we eat, which has been fun. And yeah, Monopoly game, always nice to have a game, something to pass the time when we're not out and about adventuring. Like all Monopoly games, we did not finish Monopoly. It was still ongoing, but we had to pack it up to leave to our next place. So this is the kitchen. It's been sort of a trend we've noticed in Europe that a lot of houses have the covered fronts that sort of hide the fridge and the freezer. And then some of the cupboards are actually cupboard space. Like here we have plates and bowls and stuff. And then also the dishwasher is a front here. Looks like a cupboard, but you can pull it out. And we have some dishwashing space. And we haven't always had dishwashers in Europe, so that's been nice to just throw everything in there after dinner, and then we have more time instead of washing dishes. And then we have a gas stove here. You don't just turn it on, you have to flick it on first over here. Flick on the gas, and then it'll come on. Microwave, toaster, basic utensils. Yeah, it's a nice kitchen. And then one more thing I have to show you is the balcony. We have not gone out here a lot, mostly because classic London, it's been really rainy. So just kind of cold, but when it's not rainy and when it's sunny out, we have opened the door a couple times to let in some fresh air and spring birds. So yeah, it's nice. There goes a gang of motorcycles. Please hold for the intro. Okay, so yeah, that was our house tour in London. We hope you liked it, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to leave us a comment, because we love to hear from you guys. And also don't forget to subscribe, because we'll have a lot more videos coming, including more house tours. So if you like house tours, go check out our house tour playlist. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.